So what I need is to be able to make a T that can come off here into a gauge, but I need to go to buy a T first, but also find out a sample of this to take to store to get the right size. So this is called the accumulator. It's kind of where the hydraulic fluid goes in. This is called a spare. But what I need is this two-way union, because what I do is I get a three-way union and I can put a hydraulic gauge on it to check the performance of the hydraulic system. So these are the brake pads on the Citroen, and these are the ones I'm putting on. They're still really small, but tiny improvement. These are most probably off the GSA, and these are off the GS, but more braking the better. Okay, they don't fit because there's a slot inside there which they hit, so I need to change the brake caliper. So ideally I would have put new brake pads in, but I think I'll try to find some and order some. But ideally I'd change the whole caliper and put the bigger style ones in, but that will be for another day. Apart from that, everything else seems fine. This oil is all pretty old, it's not new stuff, no like new leaks and hydraulics. It just needs a bit of a clean up, which I might do now. So I've cleaned up a little bit, help kind of figure out what's happening, check for like future leaks. For those that don't know, this car is off hydraulic pneumatic suspension. So hydraulic oil is sucked from this container to a pump down in front of the motor, which is then pumped in through a high pressure line to this is called the accumulator, which spreads it out. The high pressure fluid comes through these, it's kind of like a strut, and can lift the car up and down. And this here is called the spare, which is half filled with nitrogen gas, which acts as a socket drawer. And the brakes are also powered from the same hydraulic system, which is probably why I can get away with having such small brakes. So one issue you might have heard is the scraping noise. So whoever put the ball joints back on, they put them on the wrong way. There's like a net, they bend the other way. So when we go full lock, they're scraping. You can see there that, where it's been scraping against the rim on the other side as well. And you can see the curve where it was meant to go. This one here better matches the angle. So you see, kind of goes around the rim, not into it.